ICAD number 4. The prompt is typewriter. So what I'm going to do first is apply some gel medium down so I can adhere this book text. Now I don't need to give it a coat of gesso because the gel medium is going to be the sealer in this instance. It's going to be enough to seal it. So there, and I also like to put a layer of gel medium onto book page. Okay, bring that all the way over there. Actually, let's rip that. And add some more. Oh, let's just put it that way. Doesn't really matter. Bring it down so, oh yeah, no, it's covered. Okay. Let that dry, then we'll come back. So I'm just going to remove the excess book paper there, and then maybe I can grunge it up a bit, or yeah, I'll grunge it up a bit now, I think, just with some, maybe some distress inks in Vintage Photo, maybe some Rusty Hinge, and maybe some walnut stain. Okay. So, Vintage Photo, walnut stain, and we'll get some Rusty Hinge. Okay, we'll do the Rusty Hinge first. Okay, it's a bit shiny because of the gel medium, but that's okay. Let's do the Vintage Photo. And then just some walnut stain. I'll probably go around the outside of it with the walnut stain. I might even use black soot yet, don't know. It wants to rip there, that's okay. It's very old, brittle, well, yeah, very brittle paper. So, alright. Now what do I want to do? Now I want to type. I want to stamp some letters all over it. Now, I was taught to type on one of those really old-fashioned typewriters, the ones where you needed muscles on your muscles in your fingers to push down the keys. So this challenge, this prompt brought back many memories. Alright, so I want ASDF. Okay, so not the B, because I remember when we practiced, constant ASDFJKL semicolon, and we practiced those on the centre row there for a long time, and then it even jumped over to the G and jumped over to the H, and yeah, anyway. It was it embedded it into our brains though. So AS D and F. Okay, if I can find the F, there it is. Okay. Put those onto a block. See how they're going to stamp. I'll use Ranger Archival. Now you know what, I'm going to use Memento Tuxedo Black because it's juicier than this one, and that's the wrong way, Jen. Okay. Oh, okay. I've already stamped my typewriter, and I'm so sorry, I don't know where this, I think it's a Tisha Moore, or it could be Cherry Pie art stamp because it's in with some Tisha Moore stuff, and maybe, and that's Cherry Pie arts too. It's a long time ago that I bought that one. So I've stamped it onto some kitchen paper. I think it's dry enough. And I'm just going to glue that down with some you know, that stuff, gel medium. But I don't think I want, I think I want that on the left over there, and then that one over there. So it should actually come out of there, but it's just too big, so yeah, no, let's just put it there and be done with it, eh? Okay, let's do this. going to do is finish it up by going around the outside of that index card with Ranger archival ink in jet black. And there's prompt number 4 done. Actually, you know what? I might put some spray over that. That one. Okay, hold on. Let's do this. This is Heidi Swap's tea dye. If I just put some on a block. And I've just sort of reactivated that ink, but that's okay, it'll all add to it. There we go, done. On to the next one. Thanks guys, bye.